Hey everybody, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Today we're going to make brown gravy mix. You know how you can get the brown gravy in the little envelopes, the packets? We're going to make it from scratch here, and then that way you can always have it, and all you're going to have to do is add 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of the mix, and 1 cup of water, and you got your gravy. And when you're frying up your beef or whatever you're going to use it for, like mashed potatoes, you can always take the drippings out of your fried, like we're going to fry baked steak. We're going to have cube steak, and we're going to have some drippings out of that, and we're going to put that in our gravy too. So you can always do that. So it'll be more like homemade. But I have used this stuff for years, the packets, and now we're going to make our own. So first off, we need 3 cups of flour. That's going to about do it for this. I'm going to have to go get me some more.
Or Hudson Creek could send us some. Just saying.
He's pushing it, isn't he? I love it.
1.
Oh, no. Ooh. Okay.
Hey, keep it in the bowl.
You know I don't. I don't do that. What are you talking about?
I know, girlfriend.
3 cups of flour, and then we've got the granules of the beef bouillon. I couldn't find smaller ones, so we've got this. So 3/4 cup of the powder here. Maybe a little extra, just because.
Yeah, because we like it strong.
Because we extra.
We like it strong.
Yeah. And I've got 2 teaspoons of onion powder in here. Still in there. Part of it. Not much.
Why does it always stick on you? You're going to have to have Josh come down and show you how to do that.
Show me how to do it, I guess. Look at this. And we're going to put 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Maybe I need to put some rice in them.
Wouldn't hurt.
There's 1. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And then we're going to use 1 teaspoon of paprika. And 1 teaspoon of pepper. That's it, guys. Who would have thunk? Look at that.
So you don't have to use like any cornstarch or anything like
The
that.
flour.
Just the flour does it, huh?
The flour thickens it. Yep. You just mix all this up. And then you're going to have your base for your gravy.
And you just store that in a jar?
You store that in a jar. Put the directions on the outside of it, or a little piece of paper on the inside to tell you how to make it.
Well, that's pretty cool.
2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of this mix, so this will last a long time, and 1 cup of water. We better be making some beef dishes.
No problem.
No problem. He loves beef. Just make sure you get it all stored up. Stored up.
Stored up?
Yeah, that too. Stirred up.
Stir it up and store it up.
Yeah, let's stir it up, and I'll get a jar and we'll put it in. We'll show you. All right, guys, here's what we got. This is a 6 cup, so it fit, 3 cups. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of the mix, and 1 cup of cold water. We're going to try it out here in a few minutes. So we're going to make some cube steak, and we're going to make gravy and put on the cube steak for the oven, make it baked steak. So this is it for this one, and stay tuned for the cube steak video. We'll put that one up too, and you can see it being used. So have a great day, and peace out, guys.